Hi everyone, I'm back again. Um, just not really anything special, just here to, talk a bit. Don't expect this to be a common thing for me to like upload every day. It's just currently it's just how stuff, you know, timing wise and how much I have to do for university and spare time, all that stuff. And I just wanted to come here, just show a bit what I'm currently working with during my school time or university time. I'm currently studying math and it's not the most fun. You can pause if you want to see what I'm doing. Um it's not made pretty really, the equation. So it's like a big or long equation that you're supposed to divide with a small one. And it just takes some sort of skill to do it, I guess. But if you pause it, you can try and do it yourself or try to follow my steps, even though they're not even very clear. Since for the test I have, which is tomorrow, yes, tomorrow, during middle of the day, um, I only have to give the answer, not how I made it. It's like a smaller test, just to like see if everyone is up to speed and knows what we're doing. And this is one of the things I have to understand, which I understand the process of it, which is the most important part. And then we also have, this at the bottom here, all of this. I mean, this is quite simple to understand for me because it's like this is the equation you have, and yeah, okay. Sorry about that. Phone call. And okay, so back to it. Anyway, so this looks simple, this little equation, but it's like you get all of this out of it. I know most people would answer like, oh, it's what, -2, which I understand, but I wish it was that easy, but it isn't. So math is math, and yeah. And maybe some of y'all would argue PEMDAS or whatever the order of things is, but that does not really apply here. Or it could in a way, but it's the third, or not square root, but the third root out of -8, which would be an imaginary number, which is why it is more complex than just, oh, -2. Uh, However, yeah, it has to do with trigonometry. I don't know if that's the correct word for it. I have learned all of the math in Swedish and a bit of English, so sorry if I'm wrong in the word or vocabulary on whatever it is. And then what else do I have here that I can? Oh yeah, then I have more of that, and then I have factorization or whatever it's called when you have to factor, for example, this long into smaller terms. So this would then turn into this down here. And yeah, that is something that I'm currently doing. Maybe for some people this is basic stuff. For me, it's those stuff are easier. But just normal trigonometry is, I could vomit about because of it. So it's not. Some people think or find some stuff easier than other, and I find just these stuff easier than trigonometry. That's like my hate thing in math, but else I love it. Compared to social studies, I tried that, did not work out well. I quit after a year. Uh, so I've done that as well for a year, but not my cup of tea. I need numbers. I need math. That is my thing. Where's more objective of how you get to an answer rather than reading between lines. And pattern recognition, you know, more towards that direction that I'm interested in. However, then we have, oh, this is awfully made, but yeah, all of this here, you know, maybe it's backwards for you. I don't know. Maybe it is. Oh well, it is what it is. Yeah, no. So that's also something that I have done and actually solved, which is awfully took a bit of time. Maybe more than I should have, but you know, what can you do? And yeah, that's really about all that I had to say today. And yeah, maybe the next update date will be soon, or maybe not. I don't know. You know, I'm just trying to figure stuff out and learning all of this. Making videos. I do not know how to edit for shit. So, if anyone have any good tutorials, tips, anything, please let me know. I am grateful for it. So, well, anyway, I think that's it. Thank you for watching if you watched so far, and hope you stick around to see what comes in the future, because not even I know. So, well, anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day, evening, night, morning, whatever your time is currently, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.